Hello friends, this is Asutosh. I'm back again with another video, and in this video we're talking about what are the components of Docker. So we have Docker daemon, client, registries, and images and containers. So first let's talk about what are Docker images. So you can think of Docker image as a read-only template that comes with instructions for deploying containers. Okay, so in simple terms, an image consists of a collection of files that pack together all the necessities such as dependencies, source code, and libraries which are needed to set up a completely functional container environment. Okay, now let's talk about what are containers. So a Docker container is a virtualized runtime environment that provides isolation capabilities for separating the execution of application from the underpinning system. Or in simple terms, you can say that it's an instance of a Docker image. Okay, so containers are the ultimate utility of the Docker technology. That is, they provide a portable and lightweight environment for deploying applications. Okay, now we'll talk about what is Docker registry. So for that, let's go to dockerhub.com, and when you click on explore, you will see a lot of Docker images available here. And these are, as you can see, some of the images are official images: Postgres, Mongo, Ubuntu. So let's say that you want this image. Okay, you have downloaded this image. So this image consists of the whole operating system, the whole Ubuntu operating system, and you want to install Apache web server on top of it. So what you can do is pull this image, install Apache web server on top of it, and create another image that is your customized image, and use that for your deployment purpose. So that means we can use this Docker registry for pulling the images, Docker images. So this hub.docker.com is a public repository. So different organizations will have their private repositories as well. Okay. So we have discussed registries, images, and I told you like containers are just like a runtime instance of images. Okay, and daemon processes. Let's say that you have run some command like docker build, docker pull, or docker run. Then whatever commands you submitted from the, so this is basically Docker client. Okay, so Docker, using Docker client, you can submit the commands, and Docker daemon listens to those commands and carries them out. So if you run a command docker pull, it will pull from the public registry by default. If you run the docker push, it will push the image to Docker registry, the public registry by default. All right. So the in a nutshell, these are the basic components of a Docker. And I wanted to tell you because in the next session, when we will be doing the hands-on on Spring Boot with Docker, when I will use these terms, you may not be getting confused. So that's why I thought of discussing these components. Okay, so in the next video, what we'll talk about is how we can run a Spring Boot application inside a Docker container. All right, thank you.